Hi, so Mike and I are here today to invite you to an upcoming workshop on the 27th of April called Embodying Your Sacred Heart. And this will be 10:30 till 5:30 p.m. at a beautiful circle space quite near to the centre of Sheffield.
And yeah, in this one day immersion, Francis is going to be running a constellation or two, really looking at ourselves as we are now, looking at symptoms, blocks to our sacred heart, our soul purpose, and things relating to that.
Yeah, and everyone will get the chance to do a constellation in small groups. And Mike will be doing some beautiful harmonies, healing songs,
hmm
and being in space with Mike when he holds space for singing is just so profound and healing in itself. So between these things, you'll have such a day of healing and connection and community, and we'd love to welcome you.
Great.